What up, what up, what up? What's going on, y'all? Man, about to teach my girlfriend how to do wheelies on the full wheel today. She just don't know it yet. About to get right into this thing now. Let's go, y'all.
Okay.
About this wheelies?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you got this. It's easy.
I don't. I want to do no wheelies. I won't fall backwards.
Let me see. Let me do a couple on your bike right quick. About there. I think you're scared of the gas. You gotta keep getting more gas too though. Make sure you hit the gas. You gotta hit the gas and release the clutch. You got to, I think you had to give it more gas though. Because you let go of the clutch, you're not hitting the gas. Give some gas. Come up. Huh? I said it was about to come up. We just gotta give it more gas and pull back on it. Give the gas and pull back. But you had to give it more gas than that though. I think if you would have gave it more gas, it would have came up. All you gotta do is just give it more gas and pull back. Huh? Give it more gas and lean back. You had it coming up though. Got it. She just gotta give it more gas though. She's scared for it to pop up. Hey. Try to like sit up a little bit. Like stand up a little bit.
No.
Just like a little bit. Then when you're ready to go, sit down. When you're ready to take off.
Oh, like I did that before. Like you know me do this and then like.
Yeah, then just sit down. Yeah, do it like that.
Yeah, but I can't do all three together.
Try it out. See how it works. Come up now, y'all. It's about to pop up now.
I feel awkward.
You got it. There you go. She always look back. Like, did you see that? Yeah, I see that, fool. She's about to do some donuts now. Watch it. Oh, I thought you were about to do some donuts. still know how to do a donut.
Huh?
Saucy still know how to do a donut.
Yeah.